Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this little video, a little bit different. You don't know what this is. I do, because as you can tell, I've already opened it. I couldn't help myself. I was very excited. So yeah, this is not just one kit. It's not just two kits. It's actually three kits in this one box. They're all Tamiya. They're all a bit old, and they're all quite desirable. First and foremost, before we get into what's in this box, I just want to express my thanks, my gratitude. I just cannot express how very fortunate I am, very lucky I am, and very grateful I am to have received these from someone I can call a friend over on Reddit. So for those of you who don't know, Reddit was the very first place I started posting when I first started the hobby, 8 years ago-ish, shall we say. After a couple of months, I started posting on Reddit. I had to find somewhere. I couldn't have Facebook. I come across Reddit somehow. I found the modelcar subreddit, and I've been posting on there ever since. And last year, a user, highboy68, Sean, he reached out and asked if I'd like to be part of a judging team for a build-off he had organised to set up, and I was part of a fantastic judging team. And the first build-off towards like the end of last year was fantastic, and we actually had recently another one, and it was amazing. For any of you watching this that entered the DTS build-off on Reddit, can I just say you was all fantastic. I think there was 5 or 6 of us judging, maybe 7, and it was so difficult. It was just fantastic seeing so many entries across the 3 classes, and you was all absolutely fantastic. So if you entered that, big up to yourselves. So judge last year's build-off, judged build-off not so long back. I just reached out to Sean. I know he's a bit of a collector, he's got a lot of kits. And long story short, what's in this box is one of the kindest, most generous sort of gifts from another user, but another builder, not user, it's not a computer game, another builder. Genuinely, I cannot say thank you enough. So yeah, Sean, you're watching this, man, honest, genuine man, cannot appreciate you enough. Thank you so much. So enough waffling. I want to get into this because you guys, I'm gobsmacked. I'm in awe, and it just hasn't sank in. It is not computed. Let's get in this box. Now, like I said, I've already been in this, and I could not believe. And they're here, in my hands. I still can't get my head around them. So what I'll do first, I'll show you this. We've got some clear panels. Now, there is no boxes because I didn't need the box. I'm not building a box, building a plastic model kit. What matters to me is the plastic. The only thing I said is, all I do is I just keep the face of the box, which Sean's done that. Here's another clue for kit number 1. And we've got some more parts here. I must say, it's been very well packaged. It arrived all in one piece. You've probably just seen it through this bag now, what the first kit is. So yeah, honestly, to have received something like this, it's beyond amazing. So here is the first one. We have the Martini Alfa Romeo 155 V6Ti touring car. Incredible design. I'm going to take ideas from this. It's going to be similar but not the same, but what I've got in mind is all locked in. The next one, you can see it already, is an Opel Calibra V6 Bush touring car. As a teen growing up in the late 90s, early 90s, for those from the UK, there was a big thing called Max Power, and you used to see these with some crazy body kits and styling and whatever else. And at the time, not many people really was fond of it. But I look back and I think, you know what, this actual styling, it really does suit it. It's really low, really chunky, quite wide. I love that DTM sort of style spoiler. For me, the 90s was absolute pure motorsports, be it you know, DTM, BTCC, JGTC, Group A, WRC. The motorsports in the 90s was phenomenal. So yeah, this is another one. And then we've got the last one. I'm going to show you the body shell for the last one. It's the Astra. So we've got the Astra DTM as well. So you've got, like I say, all the parts. This big bag is for the Opel Calibra. That's all in that one. And then you've got, just to show you, the box art for it as well. Now, for those that remember, I've built this, but I had issues because it caught me out with the gull wing, and I messed up the fitment, and I actually snapped the door, and I was absolutely gutted. There was things I did wrong, and to be able to obtain this kit again to redo what I've done, but better, I'm over the moon. So ideas for this, it's locked in. Ideas for the Calibra, locked in. Everything is locked in. I am sorted. So yeah, we've got that awesome looking Astra. We've got the awesome looking Alpha. And in this little box here, we've got the awesome Calibra. Again, you know, all the bits are in there, all the booklets, all the instructions, all the decals. It's got everything. I'm speechless, and I cannot thank you enough, Sean. When you're watching, man, I genuinely cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. All ideas are locked in. I will be executing them. Just need to pick up a couple of paints and whatever bits and bobs I need to get the ideas done. But yeah, as soon as that's got all sorted, I've just got a couple of projects coming up, sort of on a bit of a time-ish sort of scale. But I cannot wait to fit these three in, because I want to get these three done and dusted in time for Telford later this year in November in the UK for Scale Model World. I want all three of these on display, preferably in the competition area. So yeah, there we have it. Again, something a little bit different. I just wanted to say a massive thank you. Cannot thank you enough. If you're over on Reddit, you go and find Highboy68 over on the Model Car subreddit. Fantastic work, fantastic guy. You know, interact, say hi. You know, it's amazing. And definitely, if you're on Reddit and you didn't see it, if you're under a rock or something, you didn't see it, the DTS build off, go check it out. There's like a flare where you can like load up just those posts. Like I said, the entrance for that was fantastic. To Sean and all the other guys on the judging team, thank you for making it so much fun and enjoyable. And again, thank you for these three mega kits. Thank you. Everyone, take care, look after yourselves. We'll see you on the next project, and we'll get that loaded up soon enough. So yeah, see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. All the best. Cheers.